Let's butcher chicken today. Big knife. Cut chicken's head off. After you cut the head off with your knife, get your chicken. Good sized chicken. Rinse your chicken. Cut its legs off. Flip them over. Take your wing tips off. Right at his sternum, below his breast. Slice. Start pulling. Dig that craw out of there and that neck. Start pulling that skin off. Down to his bottom. Don't pull it all the way off. Get your wings. Rip them feathers right off. It's a lot easier than it even looks. Rinse off your table. Slop in the bucket. Rinse your chicken. Back on the table. Don't let your chicken slide off. Hold on. Separate that nasty off its neck and the craw. A slice right here, exactly where you did your skin. Open up his flesh. Start pulling the innards out slowly. Grab that esophagus. Pull the craw right out. There's your craw. Take your guts out. Peel your skin down to the bottom. Cut that fat around the bottom off. Just around that last bit of intestine. Okay. There you go. Flop. Bucket. Dig your chicken heart out. That always stays in there until the end. Give it to your cat. Grab your hose. Your chickens will eat the heart too. You got chickens walking around. Clean it out. There you go. Chicken. All done. No fuss. No frills. Now you can go give it to your wife. Hope you enjoyed it. Short and to the point, yeah.